winner here. He's up into the 3 spot now. So again, now our top 3 are sorted pretty well. Seconds back, Kyle in the pink and white. Oh, is he broke?
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Crestwood RC Raceway for their series finale 2025. So this is race 4 of 4, as well as at the end of today's events, they will do the cumulative points tally for the series of 2025. You get 1 drop, and currently I'm in 3rd place in both EBuggy and EBuggy. I haven't put the mains up yet. We're just on our lunch break. We'll do 2 quals today, and then it will be double mains. This will be my EBuggy main. I will just show you one of my 2 mains, and then it'll be combined points at the end. I'll put in the totals, and we'll see how it goes. I qualified well today, but not great. So I'm starting P9, so I'll be starting 9th in likely the A main. I think they'll be splitting us up because there's 21 EBuggy drivers. Alright, so for EBuggy, I'll just give a brief overview of what's in this car, although nothing has changed through the whole season. Kept it very consistent. Still on the Gens Ace Redline, Hobbywing XR8 G3 Pro, tires, Reflex Blues. We're going to go out starting in P9, see if we can move up any. Alright, here we go for EBuggy A1 main. They've just done a blow off of the track for us. Now, the track has not had any water since 9:30 a.m. when a rainstorm blew through. So it's going to be drier than I was hoping for, but the tires are working it okay on the soft reflexes. We'll see how we do starting from P9. Alright, gridded up for A1 main, EBuggy. Hopefully that damn compressor turns off soon.
I agree.
That's looking pretty good.
Dude was using a lot of air.
Nick, you just move up to the line.
He used all of the air.
Perfect, thank you, sir.
Someone's going to use it again. We should ban that during mains.
Okay, so Marshall, please be on the phone. We have a lot of cars. All right, Marshall's ready. Driver's ready, on the tone. All right, a little bit of a tangle in that second corner, but overall,
beautiful start.
Not too
locked out on that one. Holy, it's dry.
All right, I can tell Kyle is gunning onto that triple. And I believe it's Anthony Bishman in that purple. Then we have Sheldon in the 3.
Oh, that was terrible. Oh, there goes my hole.
Kyle 1, Anthony 6. I believe Chris took over the number 3 spot. I believe, putting Sheldon to the 4. I'll see when they hit the loop. And a whole plethora of other cars. Alright, let's see who the number 3 car is. Yep, Chris L took over Sheldon. Adriano in the 5 spot. We got Taylor up into the 6. John down to the 7. David Turcotte in the 8. Dave Henry in the 9. Nick Bailey in the 10.
It's okay. It's 10-minute main.
Chris and Skyler.
Oh, she's loose.
122 drivers, 840 to go.
Putting back up in the 6.
And Kyle is on the move, looking real good in that pink and white and blue onto the east side of the track, coming in the S-bend. Him and Anthony Biscomer. Oh, Anthony gets her. Oh. Hey, Kevin James. Okay. Yeah, if you can fix that pipe in any which way, caution, guys. Caution on the S-bend on the east side of the track. Thank you, Kevin. We had a pipe come dislodged, but I think we're okay for now. So I got Kyle in the 1. Anthony, 4.7 back in the number 2. Very close there. Sheldon, 8.4 back in the 3. Chris L, Adriano, Taylor, John, Nick, Dave Henry, Dave Turcotte, Chris, and Skyler. All right, we got Kyle and Anthony on the south side of the track, and they are only a couple seconds apart. Kyle pushing real hard, looking real good with that EBuggy. Anthony just as fast. Oh, Kyle, that is your leader coming through, orange and white car, and Anthony's in the purple. Thank you, driver. Appreciate that. That is our 1 and 2. Those guys are racing for all the marbles. Combination of this race and the A2 race will be collaborated to give you a total, and the total will hash out to see how you do on the day, as well as how many points goes into the series. The top 5 point total leaders of the series will be getting plaques. And like I say, we have plaques for the race for the day, and we have plaques for the top 5 series winners for the season. 6:15 to go, drivers. 6:15. Kyle going over the triple, doing his best to keep Anthony at bay. Let's see what the difference is. 2.9 seconds apart. Sheldon about 12 seconds back in that number 3 spot. Chris L in the 4. Adriano, Taylor, John, Dave Henry, Nick Bailey, Chris F, Dave T, and Skyler. Marshall on the north side. Cost and Brad, be careful. Let them go by. Green car. Green car. Let them go by because you cut the track. I need a Marshall there, Kevin. Okay, we're all sorted. Oh boy, we have a whole bunch of them together on the north side coming on the second lane doubles. All kinds of them. Dave Henry's doing his best to get through the lap traffic.
Oh, bad bounce.
All right. Now we got Anthony up at number 1. Kyle's doing, see, 3.6 apart. When all that mess, Anthony got ahead of Kyle. There's a lot of destruction going on over there. Then we got Sheldon in the number 3. Taylor in the 4. Dave Henry now on the move up into the 5 spot. Chris L down to the 6. John Kennedy 7. Nick, Adriano, Chris F, Dave T, and Skyler. 4 minutes remaining, drivers. 4 minutes. And Kyle's our number 2, that pink and blue. Please give him a little bit of way, drivers. Him and Anthony are in a heck of a lot of lap traffic. Anthony's the purple car. That is our leader, drivers. So I expect you to give him a little bit of space to come through. That was an amazing jump by Anthony Bishop. Oh, that was real close. He almost took it into the pipe near the pit lane. Got a little bit of tap from the green car, which I believe is Chris Larrabee, but I could be wrong. Not sure on that one. But again, let the leaders, give the leaders a little bit of space, which is Anthony Bishop, Kyle Robinson, and Sheldon. I want those guys to have a little space on the track. And Kyle's looking pretty good here now. Thank you, pink car. That's our number 2. Anthony's getting a little bit of trouble in the second lane double. He's got one more lapper to get through and he'll be okay. 2:45 to go, drivers. 2:45. We still got Anthony and Kyle tightening things up again here. Thank you, Dave Henry, for letting Kyle through. There we go. Our top 2 are getting sorted. But then we got Dave. Dave's in at the winner here. He's up into the 3 spot now. So again, now our top 3 are sorted pretty well. We got Anthony in the purple in the number 1. Less than 2 seconds back. Kyle in the pink and white. Oh, is he broke? Or is he just having an... Okay, he's back on the track. I thought Kyle was broke. And then we got Dave Henry in the very vibrant colors of yellow and orange, I believe it is, on the south side of the track. Dave is now up into the sweet spot, so he's doing pretty good here now. Sheldon's up in there too. John Kennedy, 150 to go. And these guys are doing position changes here now. Race number 5. Let me have a look real quick. Race number 5 is our Nitro Buggy AMAIN. So Nitro Buggy AMAIN is up next. Let me read off here. Kyle, Dave, they're back to back. Then I got Tommy G, Maverick, Ron, Tim, Andrew, and 2 bumps, whoever the bumps were. So I'll be giving Kyle and Dave Henry a little bit of time because they're back to back. We'll do the best we can. I always make sure everybody's in the race. All right, drivers, here we go.
1 minute left.
You heard it. We're down to 1 minute. Let's have a look here. We got Anthony in the purple car. A few seconds back, about 3.5 seconds back, Kyle in the number 2. John Kennedy has now made his way up
Holy shit.
to number 3. And John
Amazing.
Kennedy is in the orange and white on the south side of the track. Those are our top 3. Sheldon 4. Dave Henry moved down to the 5. He was up to 3 there at one time. Chris L in the 6. Taylor, Adriano, Nick Bailey, Chris F, Dave T, and Skyler. 24 seconds remain, drivers.
One more lap. One more lap. Can I hold this third? Let's go. I believe that's 4 pushing up behind me. Gotta keep them there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, you heard the tone. Kyle, you did not make it. You are done. When you hit the loop in front of the booth drivers, your
Oh,
race
hell
is
yeah,
done.
we did it.
Chris F's done.
Oh, what a finish from 9th to
John
3rd.
Kennedy's done. Sheldon's done.
Oh, I lucked out there on
Again,
traffic.
drivers, when you hit the loop in front of the booth,
Heck
your
yeah.
race is done.
Nice.
Alright, so Anthony takes it. Kyle gets the number 2. John Kennedy gets the 3. Sheldon.
John Kennedy with the 3. What a race. All right, that's 1 of 2. I'll put in the stats for what happens in A2. And then hopefully a podium picture if everything goes well. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you don't hurt, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Thank you.